It is so fabulous. Look.
Hi.
We're closed.
Oh, but it says you're open. You're not open? You're not open?
I'm not gonna be schooled by someone wearing last season's Prada shoes, okay? Oh my god, I am so sorry. Please come in, come in. She is new. She doesn't know what she's talking about. Just come in. Thank you for coming in today to Miss Philly's Emporium Thrifting Luxury Consignment Store. But yes, come in, come in. Welcome. Do you want empty, would you like some soft drinks, some pop, some water? Just a minute. Hi Nancy, we have some Fiji water for you, some Pellegrino, or some Diet Coke. Which one would you prefer? Hey, thank you for coming today. We appreciate it. I would like to show you some new merchandise if you'd like to just look around, make yourself feel comfortable. We have new products over here. We have some new Longchamp, some new Louis Vuitton over there. Of course, feel free to look over there in the closet. I mean, everything in the store is for sale. And I will check in back with you later, okay?
Hey.
All right.
So good, thank you.
Okay. Oh my gosh, it's my break time right now. So I'm gonna have to leave you with Zelda, the previous sales associate that answered the door. But thank you so much for joining me. Make sure you leave your email. We're gonna keep you on the mailing list. We have some special promotions coming up. I'm gonna go on my break.
Miss! I decided on what I want. I'm gonna take this, that, and that.
Oh, fabulous! Oh, did the other sales lady offer you a beverage? Oh, okay. Well, let's gather all this stuff for you right now. This one and this one. Wow, you're getting a lot of things. You must have a lot of money. You have a lot of money? A lot of commission for me. So how was your experience? Yeah. Sorry about earlier. I mean, we get riffraff coming in here all the time. It's like it's crazy. So, like looking at you, I wasn't sure, but I mean, you're good now. You're good. Need a Longchamp. Oh, I forgot. We need wrapping paper. Okay, let us get everything. Because we specialize in really good packaging here. Everything, you're getting the 2 Longchamps, okay. And these designer sweaters, all right. And this Longchamp as well. I'll just wrap it in a shirt. Oh, I forgot. I also have some gift with purchases for you. So it's very, very exciting. We don't give these out often, but because you are who you are. We got batteries because obviously you need it. And then chopsticks because you're Asian. And I guess I'll give you an authentic Miss Philly Emporium Luxury Consignment ruler. So thank you so much for joining us today. Here you go.
Thanks. So you work by commission, right?
Yes, we do.
Okay. Big mistake. Huge mistake. Make sure that you give that commission to the other lady.
Hey guys, hope you guys enjoyed the skit. We really had fun making it for you. It was just kind of like off the cuff, kind of just random, and like we just kind of winged it. So we just thought it'd be funny. It was just a little idea that we had. But this is the stuff that Nancy got from me. And well, she paid for it obviously. But it's kind of like her thrifting at my place because, you know, just stuff that I didn't want anymore and that she got a good deal on.
I paid with my own money. Plus, I got a freebie, so thank you.
Check it out on her channel, NANCYLIFE TV. I'll leave the link on the down bar to show what she hauled from Miss Philly. Bye, guys.